Morning everyone, John from Popeyes Postcards. Today we're going to do our daily what's sold on eBay. As you can see on the screen, 234.21 on 23 orders, and I had one order for a $1.99 on hip. So 236 for the day. Let's go ahead and get started here. This is a silhouette man in tux, woman, flower, hat, let's get together, artist signed RJ. I have no idea who RJ was. Right there. Had this for quite a while, 7-8 years maybe. $6.99. This is Merry Christmas, Children, White Pajamas on Stairs, artist signed Clap Saddle, $25.99. Pretty sure I took a best offer, but still sold for 20 some dollars. Where is her? There's her signature right there. Okay, Charlotte, Michigan. A winter scene in Charlotte, Michigan, 1908. Nothing real exciting about this view. And I actually think I picked it up for 35 cents. $9.39. Next. This is the USS Enterprise, CVN 65. CVN, that stands for Carl Vinson Class Nuclear. Aircraft carrier, ship, cancel, seal. Got this and a whole bunch of other ones in a quarter box at the York Postcard show probably 2+ years ago. They all had this on the back, kind of like a cachet, and all had the cancels from the ships, and I've been routinely selling them for $8 to $12. Denver, Colorado, Summer House, Elitch Garden, 1909. I think that's how you pronounce that. There's that. No idea where it came from, how much I paid. $5.99. No, that's what I got for it. This is Ashtabula, Ohio. Oof, I actually know how to say it. I just can't this morning. Interior view of the Swallows restaurant. It looks, yeah, it's early linen. So, neat interior. Is sold for $5 on a best offer. This is a real photo studio, portrait, baby, porcelain cat, smoking pipe, prop, RPPC, photo. Lots of keywords. This is one of the few, like, people RPPCs I will pick up. It has to be a kid with something interesting. This is a kid with a porcelain cat. Pretty neat. $8 best offer accepted. Dallas, Texas, night scene of city skyline, vintage linen. Someone wanted to get 10 cents for it many years ago. I got $6.99. Morgantown, West Virginia, Front Street trolley cars in front of library, circa 1909. The front of this is pretty roached out. This is probably biopediation, which means little bugs might have been nipping at this, or it got damp and got stuck to another piece of paper. I don't know. I had it listed for $25, I think, $26, $27, and someone contacted me and said, dude, that's just too much. I will offer you $15, and I took it. Because after I looked at it, I was like, yeah, that front is pretty bad. So anyway, $15 for that. I paid pennies for it. This came from the dealer I bought out, or from his estate back in, I think, April of 19. So pennies into that card. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, United Gas Improvement Company building. Best offer of $4. This has been up for quite a while. You can tell by my blue background when I used to use a camera. And you can see a camera does okay. It always sucked having to crop the pictures down, but you can still get away with it. You don't have to rush out and buy a expensive scanner. This was World War I era soldier saluting studio real photo, or PPC. So there's that. That's the other type of studio person postcards I'll buy. They're of military soldiers or sailors. $9.99 for that card. Let's look at the back. Scanner line. You can see how my scanner had a piece of gunk on the glass and just a scratch the whole way off the picture. So clean your scanner lenses. Postcard. Postcard is of Massachusetts, Boston. Paul Revere's house, L Chamber. I'm not sure what L Chamber is. And it's a real photo, circa 1915. And sold for $8.99. Next is Southampton, Long Island, New York, McCarthy's Corned Beef and Cabbage Club. That sounds like a fun club. Corned beef and cabbage. Thursday nights out. Okay, yummy, yummy. That does not look appetizing at all. $8.99 for that advertising hunk of meat postcard. Next, Southampton, Long Island, Auto Museum, Rubberneck Bus and Singers. I'm not sure if this went to the same buyer or not. I've not packed these up yet. I haven't pulled or packed them. $8.49 for that card. Okay, next, USS Concord. CL is light cruiser in Navy speak. So this is light cruiser 10. So cruiser, real photo. I'm not sure when this is. 1940, so right before World War II. $9.99 for that card. Colorado Springs, Colorado, Broadmoor and Stadium, RPPC Sanborn photo. There's a football stadium. Looks like a football stadium. So just a nice view. 1940s, 50s, based on that stamp box. $8.25 best offer. Dixon, Tennessee, the Church of Christ, 1930s. Best offer of $10 or $6 actually. I think some scanner marks on there. Yeah, $6. I think I had it up for 10. Someone came and offered me 2, and I came back at like, I think it was like $6 or $7, and they came back with like 4, and I ignored it and let the offer cancel or expire, and they came back with 6. That should be the thumbnail right there. Sold a book. This is a dentistry book, Modern Dental Materia Medica, Pharmacology, Therapeutics. So this came from the dental book haul from years and years ago. There's a video I did on it. And one of the things I hate about listing the dental books, even though they bring good money, is doing all the pictures. Of course, the computer's not going to cooperate, but it's all the pictures you have to do. And I always try to find, the most interesting picture from inside. That's a good one. Blah. To try to help use it as the thumbnail. So that's why I use the good old canker sores. Come on, computer. Yeah. So anyway, it's sold on a best offer of $25. There's a good old canker sore for your morning enjoyment. Or $24. This is Red Nichols, Frederick Brothers Music Corp. Mutoscope card. So this is it's an arcade card of a musician, but this one's actually made as a postcard. Very thick cardstock on this card. Best offer accepted of $8. Christmas Children Bringing Santa Claus Figgy Pudding, circa 1920s. Took a best offer on this one, and the person asked when they put in their $5 offer, what's the overall condition? I don't know why they put in an offer and asked the question, so I just took the best offer and told them that it's in great condition, or is in the condition pictured. So we'll see what happens with that one. This is Somerset House in Somerset, Pennsylvania. House Hotel, Somerset House Hotel, circa 1910s. I've not had real good luck with Somerset. This one did well, 1649. Another one of those World War II era military humor doctor giving sailor a shot in girl tattoo, $2.99. Then this one's going overseas somewhere. San Diego, California, Old Point Loma Lighthouse Tinted RPPC. I know Mark from SM Postcard just had a real photo video last night, and this is one of those tinted real photos he was talking about. And this one sold for $7.99. And the lone postcard over on Hip, I have probably 200 plus of this postcard. This is Houston, Texas, Shamrock Hotel swimming pool, 1953. I have so many of these that I've been shipping two when someone orders one, and it's just because I just have so many, and they're not selling very well, and I have them down for $1.99, and they're still not selling very well. So people get extras. I don't care. I'm just getting rid of them. Okay, what day is today? Thursday. So we'll have a what sold video Friday, and then Saturday I have an antique mall. Not review really, but I got an antique mall video coming out Saturday, and Sunday I don't know if I'll have another antique mall video, or if I'll have a part, what are we up to, part 12, part 11 or 12 of the series. I'm not sure which I'll do yet, but one of those will be on Sunday. As always, thank you for watching. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, purchase a coffee or a beer for me, all that good stuff. Have you hope a good day? Hope you have a good day. I need another cup of coffee. Have a good day. Bye.